Hi guys, this is Syndrome here. Hope you're doing well. 31 days poster challenge, one poster a day, no excuses. Day 4. So today triggers were shoshin, post-it note, and a quote from the Matrix movie, which was ignorance is bliss. I'ma go with shoshin. Shoshin is a Zen Buddhism term that translates to beginner mind. I was first introduced to it by Ido Portal. I'm gonna play a clip from him real quick.
Try your best. You keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Never stop, never stop. There is no reason to rest. Just keep going, keep going. You're frustrated. Keep going. Oh, I'm shit. Keep going. I want to kill myself. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Just chew on it. Get used to the craft, man. I'm making a craft here. And you know, it's like the first craft that you made in primary school. You brought your mother some fucked up statues and Mama, look what I did. And she said, what a beautiful creation. It's like afterwards your dad throws it in the garbage because he thinks it's some leftover. So here, we are just getting used to that. I'm shitty, I'm not yet good at it. It's the shoshin, the beginner mindset. And we go into the beginner mode. And I try to sustain the ball on the wall for as long as possible by placing myself in front of it, tightening my fists, and moving my body. If I miss it, I miss it, I pick it back up, I go back into action. Because I'm interested in the ability, in the content inside the container, in the liquid inside the cup, and not in the cup. The tennis boxing game is the container. What is the content? Rhythmicality, footwork, sense of distance, accuracy. Touch my hand. It's not easy to touch that ball.
Super interesting dude. I highly encourage you to look him up. His work has been really transformative for me really in the last couple of years. So for sure I'll make a video about him in the future. Let's focus on the poster right now. So let's get it. Okay, so for this poster, applying the shoshin concept, I'll go like really playful on it, really with not that much expectation on the finished piece. I can even like picture what I want to do, but I will try something with more color than I usually do, maybe a more illustrative style, you know, at the end. Let's see what comes out of it. No, what the hell? My Midjourney froze. Doesn't matter because it couldn't finish the process. So I wanted this image, the one on the bottom left. So I'm gonna use it anyway. Okay guys, this is the finished piece. I really love how it turned out. I think it really conveys good this idea of having like a flow mindset in which you're just playing and going around with it. Also the phrase here of Ido Portal, I think this would be like a super great piece to hang on a wall, so I might add it to the print shop later. So yeah, I really love how this turned out. Please, if you wish to join also the challenge, you have the link to the Discord down below. Also remember all the assets that I've used in this piece. You have a lot of free ones on my website. There's also the paid ones that help support this channel a lot. YouTube money isn't great for the time being, but we get in there. So that's it, my guys. See you tomorrow. Papi, wish you complete.